you go. That's it. Talk to me. Talk to me, baby. Yeah. Did you have a good day today? Yeah. Oh, I know. Oh, yeah. Are you so cute? Aren't you cute? You're just such a cutie. Oh, yeah. Oh. Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap, baby? Ah, yes you did. Yes you did. You slept for a long time. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah, what else? Look at those cute dimples right there. Show your cute dimples. Say hello. Hello. Hi everybody. Hi everybody. It's Antonio. It's Tony. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to see you again. Hi. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, you are just too much. Yeah. Yes, you're too much. Look at all those faces that you're making. Ah, look at all those faces that you're making, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? And you're even crinkling your nose now. You're crinkling your nose? Yep. I can't wait to show this to your daddy when he gets home. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Say bye. Bye.